What's up, vlog? So it's like, what time is it, like 9 o'clock? 9? 8:44. Well, that's disrespectful. It's 8:44 and we're on our way to Pompano Beach, Florida to the dyno because our tuner is tuning his car, and why not make an hour and a half road trip down south to watch the homies? No, we're not. Rain's making me drive both ways.
Yeah, cause it's your dumbass idea. And I gotta put gas.
It's your car.
It's your idea.
Hey, bro. Sometimes we gotta do things we don't want to do to get ahead in life.
Super facts.
No, we ain't getting hell. I'm getting broke.
Hey, man, I'm just saying.
You out here being rich and shit.
Don't say that.
Everybody know I be in the club VIP, like not me. Oh girl wanna fuck me, yeah she fine. I'ma give her that D.
Real race car, boy. How does it feel to own a real race car, dog?
A lot of hard work, dedication. It's been at least a good year.
Yeah, it's been a year since it's been down, right?
Yeah, man.
Because I knew you were gonna go K, and then you're like, fuck that.
Yeah. Stuck with the D. And got more than what I was asking.
Oh my God. 800 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. Jesus Christ. Randy going for his, getting his car fixed by Jason, so he's going for the tune. Okay, so I did a horrible job filming last night. Beyond horrible. So after Randy got his car fixed by Jason, Randy had an issue where like his car would idle, I think it would idle too rich. And then when he drive it, it'd just be hella lean. Something like, it's just, I guess when we put in the new engine harness, it messed up something and Jason had to fix it. So that's the reason why we went down to Pompano. Well, we wasn't supposed to go to Pompano. We were supposed to meet Jason at his shop, but bro, they was at the dyno from 12 to 4 o'clock last night. So from 12 p.m. to 4 a.m. That's how long they was at the dyno yesterday. It was a long day. So I was like, yo, Randy, let's just go up to Pompano. He's like, man, I want to drive. I'm like, bro, I'll drive back and forth. Bro, I nearly almost killed us last night like 3 times. I was tired, dude. I'm so sleep deprived. It's ridiculous. But back to what I'm saying. After Jason came back and stuff like that, we had to wait because Eddie, the owner of Genesis Automotive, was tuning a car and he kept having issues. Well, I wouldn't say he kept having issues, but you know, have hiccups or whatever. First off, before I confuse you guys anymore, we got to Pompano at like 9:40. Like, we got there fast, dog. Like, I was doing like 90 to 100 the whole way there, bro. We was moving through traffic. So as soon as we got there, we said what up to everybody, and then like 2 hours later, Randy got his car fixed, and then after that, like 2 hours later, Jason finally went on the dyno, and this is where the story keeps going. So yeah, if that make any sense. So back to the video. What time is it, Randlow?
124, bro.
124. Jason's on the rollers. Stock block 1000. Well, built block, built head, built everything. Got built seat belts. Get crazy. Tuning his own car. Hey, I'm back again. Did you miss me, man? Forgot to tell you guys that the process of him tuning his own car took a long time because he got to start a fresh whole new map because the whole motor has been like rebuilt. Like, the whole motor has been like rebuilt. Like, now it was always fully built, but now it's like a freshly fully built with like different, like it's a big different setup right now. He has 8 injectors, bro. 8 have you seen his manual? I just wanted to let you guys know that, like, that's why it took us like 4 hours, because he had to redo his entire car again. Like, he couldn't go off his old tune because you get what I'm okay, I'm back to editing. Basically what Jason's doing right now is remapping his whole car. He has a brand new setup. I honestly didn't think I talked about what I just talked about, so that was a waste of a clip, but I'm gonna keep it in there. Ad rate! Fully built K2020. What is it, full 2020, right? Oh, it's a full K20. It's a K28 too. And he just got to rebuild 8 injectors, like fully built. Like, it's fully built. He made 1,000 horsepower before, and I think he's going for that again on this new setup. So he might make a little bit over 1,000. So we about to find out, son. It's like what, 132? I know, dog. We've been here since what? 10? 9. Yeah, we got a 9. Yeah, so we've been here for like 4 hours. The last 2 hours, it was a bakery, bro. Woo-wee! But we couldn't find this, man. He was caked up. It's a bakery, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm for the culture. Lying. Stop lying, man. Going for the 1,000, the real stock block 1,000 right now. It's getting real crazy. It's about 3 o'clock, 2:56 right now, and show y'all 2:56, and we're still here. But now it's time for the stock block 1,000, fully built, but you know the stock block 1,000 squad don't discriminate against 1,000 horsepower Honda. So you know what I'm saying? $798. That says 876? Oh, damn, that was 876. That says 876, yeah? 836? 879. Oops. Damn, that's crazy. Sitting front side.
That's got chicken though.
Front side. God damn.
Yeah.
You ran out of boost?
It's spinning tires.
Oh, it's spinning tires?
Yeah.
4th gear pull, son. How much?
Then my clutch is gone.
Your clutch?
Yeah. That's just one of the clutch. Yeah.
Oh.
Not again. It's one of the clutch.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
that pulls, the clutch is done. So he ended up walking out of here with 912 horsepower. Now we're gonna be back here in 2 weeks for Dyno Day, and he says he's gonna have the car ready to go for Dyno Day. So we're gonna see how much power he makes come Dyno Day. But for right now, 912 on a broken clutch at 30 pounds. That's insane. That is insane. So yeah, it's gonna make well over 1,000 horsepower. Stock block, built block 1,000. Built block 1,000. Now me and Randy have like an hour drive home. So we'll probably be home around like 5:30, watch the sunset. Sunset. We're gonna watch the sunrise together, because that's what homies do. Pause. Don't do that. I mean, unless you want. Let me shut up. 912, fam. Clutch slipping.
And the spring is, the spring.
The wastegate spring?
Yeah, the spring.
It's maxed out.
I'm not a boost guy, so I don't know about that.
And Dale's the all motor guy.
Huh? The wastegate spring maxed out.
Rose said he needs to be a boost guy.
Where's that?
I'm with you, Dale. I'm an all motor guy myself, because I can't, well, shit. I had better luck boosting than I did all motor, so 4 o'clock and another. That's insane. 4 o'clock. His rings are going. .23, and now we're on our way home. Jason, car, clutch started slipping. I'm pretty sure I already talked about it.
He made 912.
He made 912 at 32 pounds, right?
35.
Oh, 35
He still got plenty more to go.
Yeah, his duty cycle for fuel is 50 for all like the tuners out there. Roll right there with the carbon fiber Integra front end. With carbon, I just said all that wrong. But he made 875?
840.
840. Damn, I'm way off. But yeah, he made 840 horsepower. Oh my God.
I think he stopped right there because he didn't want more.
No, because he had problems with his. He ran out of fuel.
Yeah, he ran out of fuel. Yep.
Alright. So now it's time to get home, dog. We got an hour drive home. Well, I got an hour drive home. Randy probably gonna fall asleep like a little bitch.
Nah, dog.
You gonna stay up?
I'll try. I promise you.
Alright, dog. Let's get home.
I'm riding fast, real far again. I don't know where to even go, but I'm still going there. Gas on E, but that don't matter.
5:41 and we're home. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day and I'm tired, dog. I am so tired that I'm gonna close out this video and start editing a video I shot yesterday so I can have the daily uploads back. Cause I know you guys been like, well, nobody really asked me where the uploads at, which is good, cause like I needed a little break, man. I had to recuperate. But your boy's back, kind of, I think. I hope so. I hope I'm back. I'm not too sure. But yesterday's dyno was insane, dog. My tuner, Jason, he made almost 1,000 horsepower. He would have, well, he was gonna make over 1,000, dog, but his freaking clutch started to slip. So hopefully, come Dyno Day, we'll see 1,000 horsepower. But speaking of Dyno Day, you guys should come through because I'm gonna be hosting my first ever meet and greet. And Eddie was like, yo, he's cool with it. I was like, yo, what? Let's get it. So I'm my first ever meet and greet at Genesis Automotive's Dyno Day. Not link, but details down below in case you want to come through. It's in Pompano Beach, Florida. So, I mean, if you're in Florida area and you want to make the drive to see your boy in the whip, come through. But other than that, yesterday was actually a pretty good day. I filmed 2 videos in one. So after this video, hopefully you'll see the review video of a 2004 right-hand drive IS300. And no, it's not an Altezza. But is it an Altezza? I don't know. You gotta find out next, boy, on Zosh Super. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, could you please that like button for me, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. I'm out. Peace.